So what are you making today, babe?
We are going to make slow cooker black beans with kale. First step, cook dry beans. I don't know, like cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch.
Why do you keep wiping the Jeep?
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Okay, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
Soaked dry beans.
How long did you soak them for?
I think I've been soaking for about 2 hours. You can do an overnight. Oh, there's a bean that didn't belong in there. You can do them overnight, but honestly, you really don't need to. Oh, there's a garbanzo. What the heck? And that's for 3 hours. And then you put on all the yummies. And then you cook it longer. Time to put the ingredients in. Alright.
Oh, wow. Look at that steam.
Beans are ready. It's like baby food.
How do you know how much you're getting in?
That's about a teaspoon. And so it's about 6 teaspoons. It smells like baby food too. It smells like chicken noodle baby food. That's how I get it off. This is a long one, baby. Four teaspoons.
Cumin always kills me.
You need to change back the bottle. worth the taste, but it's a lot of work. Smells like chili.
You have to work all that down?
No, I'm just trying to get most of the kale in the juice so it doesn't just sit on top. Yeah, this will be fine. And then when it cooks for the next 3 hours, this will all be, this is going to be like a chili with, well, cooked kale in it.
Texture.
Yeah, it's really good. Okay. Yeah. Put lid on. And cook for 3 to 4 hours.
Look at that steam.
It's all going to thicken up in a second here.
That looks yummy, guys.